In this video, I'll showcase the total vegetation overhaul mod for GTA 4, which upgrades all trees, grass, bushes, and plants to make Library City look far more realistic. Check my video description for this mod link, select the download option, and wait for 30 seconds and select the download now option and download this mod. Once download done, right click on the zip and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close tab here, right click on the game and select open file location. Before doing this mod, back up your GTA 4 game folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the GTA 4 folder, PC, data, maps, props, vegetation. Drag and drop this vegetation both file inside the mod. Replace the file in the destination. Now you can launch the game. I will add a before and after comparison. You can compare the trees. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.